husband, he was getting his rhythm with this snoring. You know what I'm talking about? I know we all talk about it. We all know it. Well, not all of us, but some men, I don't know what it is about you, but you have to eventually suck the walls through your nostrils to feel like a man again. You know what I mean? At first, it was just a little, and you just want to go either do it or not. Sometimes it sounded like he's trying to talk to me. And did you say something, dear? In case he wanted to start talking to me, I didn't want to miss it,